It was important as we developed RiverSouth to not cut any corners, to build a beautiful building, both from the inside out and from the outside in, and really focused on it almost as a piece of sculpture that kind of welcomes you to the city of Austin. RiverSouth is a Class A+ building and really provides the best in all classes, so the best amenities, the best views, and we're very proud of what we built here. It's really been a success story in the Austin market.
Technology played a huge role, attracting tenants to spaces that were more advanced than anything Austin had ever seen is a major reason that they made the decision to occupy our space versus the spaces of our competitors.
I think that's why you're seeing RiverSouth currently 100% leased on the office side.
RiverSouth is an incredible example of digital transformation and one that QuadReal is replicating across our global portfolio. We've integrated over 25 systems into a single platform and created experiences never seen before in real estate. Building a digital building can't be done without a number of trusted partners, and SwiftConnect is one of them. Their technology enables seamless experiences for our tenants throughout our buildings, leveraging their mobile phone to access their spaces, to manage visitors, and generally just create a fantastic experience when they arrive at our buildings.
In partnership with Wavelynx and RF Ideas, SwiftConnect and our open platforms were able to deliver an experience that preserved backwards compatibility with the technologies that existed without rip and replace.
Here at RiverSouth, the customer had made an existing investment into Wavelynx Ethos readers. They were able to easily update those readers with a configuration that gave them the path to move from the past of utilizing a Bluetooth mobile app and legacy plastic credentials to move to modern security utilizing the employee badge and Apple Wallet and the corporate badge in Google Wallet. That enabled them to save a tremendous amount of time, enabled them to save a tremendous amount of money, and prevented having to replace the hardware, the wiring, or legacy credentials.
So here at RiverSouth, we partnered with SwiftConnect and Wavelynx to provide an entire solution. So between Wavelynx and RF Ideas, Wavelynx is focused more on physical access, so that would typically mean opening a door, and RF Ideas were focused on logical access or other use cases. Here in RiverSouth, it's starting in the parking garage, so we help with leveraging that RF credential to get into the parking garage, and then that badge can be later utilized in the office suite.
The RiverSouth app is critically important to the overall tenant engagement and experience here at the property.
A great part of it for us was that we didn't have to reinvent the wheel. We were able to utilize the same building app that we had before and just be able to update it to add the mobile credentialing.
And we're proud to have been the first building globally to implement both Apple Wallet and Google Wallet seamlessly together.
It's really created a more kind of ease of access experience for our employees and ultimately a safer experience for accessing the building.
To be able to attract and retain the top tenants in today's market, you need to be on the forefront of the technology.
If people love where they work, they're going to want to remain with that organization. It's a really important dimension of your retention is the overall employee experience you're creating within your office space.
You can't create a digital building alone. It takes a village. SwiftConnect was one of them. The technology that they brought to bear allowed us to satisfy a very important use case for the building, that being seamless access.